Well, good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Well, it seems that it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and Lori is all dressed up in a bathing suit and something. And where the hell is she going at this time of morning?
All right. Wonder if I should wear these. No. Oh, maybe I'll wear. Yeah, no. Oh, and then there's these ones. No. Ouch. Yeah, sure. Why not? All right, we're gonna try to build this thing here. Oh shit. Man, my fucking bathing suit's going up in the butt. Damn. That is what we are not supposed to do. Oops. Alright, watch out, lady. I gotta get my toolbox. You. Alright, well, let's try to build it. Alright. Ooh. I did. No, Leia. Oh, we're hitting somewhere, you guys. So that is on right, so then is this fucking thing goes there. Oh! Supposed to go on it first. I'll tighten it. Good morning. Ooh. Oh, it should because it's. You're okay, Leia. Take a chill. Oh, building this grill. I meant to ask Mike before he left, but I forgot. So now I gotta freaking do it. I guess I gotta keep spinning. It's not going in. Good morning. Probably. Alright, I'm not fucking with you right now. I went and put the scarf on Leia's neck, and Leia was chewing in that bitch the fuck off. Damn you, Mike, you fuck. You could have did this shit before you took off. Alright, well, it goes on this one. But I think there might be another one on the floor in there. Fuck. There it is. This little bag, because I was trying to do it before, and fucking bathing suit going up my ass. Alright, flashlight. Oh shit. I gotta put all these Uh-oh. Well, here's a whole nother handle. Oh, I bet you I got that one in the wrong fucking spot. Oh, and the wheels, ain't that a bitch.
pictures, she's claimed that she's had this grill since the RV. Now, why wasn't it put together when she got the RV, when she was in the RV, and complaining she didn't have no way to cook food and she couldn't do this, couldn't do that?
Damn, there's a lot of fucking shoes. Ow! Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is one missing. And there's the charcoal. Look at, there's all the shoes, you guys. Look at this charcoal. I really need to find the screw, and I guarantee it's probably in one of these frickin' shoes or something. He's nice. I'm not finding that. Now I need, oh shit, flashlight. I wanted to do. Damn sure. Why would there be two handles? Yeah, it's saying this goes on top.
She said, it says this goes on top. Where the hell else would the handle go?
Hello, hon. What the fuck? So your ass gets back, boy. Make me do this shit. I guess it was kind of my fault. I'm really trying. I really am. All right. Whoa.
Wait till she gets it all together, and then I bet you she doesn't have lighter fluid for that charcoal. She has shown that bag of charcoal before, and it's not match light. Uh-oh. Boy, she is all dressed up, got the rings on and everything. Does she have the fake mic ring on? Nope, I don't see it.
So now I don't even know if these go. Those I think go on it. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, something tells me these are frayed. Nah, I believe. They sure are. Ooh.
Now, somebody probably sent this to her to help her be able to cook while she was in the RV, and this is how important it was. She was in the RV in September and October. It's almost June, and she's just now pulling it out to put it together. So this is how important this gift was to her. And not only that, this is how needed it was, right? That she never even took it out the box to put it together.
Oops. Epic fail. Ooh. All right. One down. Oh, that shit's cold. Brr. Wait, what are you doing? There we go. Get your ass right in there, girl. Something tells me these little things right there were supposed to go on. Oops. Pretty sure they were supposed to. Well, we got the handles on. Oh shit, we're getting somewhere, bro. Yeah, no. There's no way. This has got to fit on there. Ouch. Of course you would. You fucking bumclot rock. Fucking real. Ooh-wee. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Where's Jules? Tell Jules to get his ass here now. Jules! Need your freaking help!
What you need his help with? What you need to send him some more pictures?
Mike went to Kentucky and left me with this shit. Doesn't even feel like it's tightening though. Maybe let me try one of these ones. See what happens. We're gonna fucking try this. How, that was my fucking belly ring that you about ripped out there, buddy. You know, why can't this shit just, come already made? Oh, I got it. I got it. block is hanging out today. The whole block. Well, like 5 houses. Nope, that one is, it's gotta be that one. It's gotta be, bro. I wonder if it's like stripped or something. Yeah, it is. Why? All right, we'll do that. What are you chewing on? Give it. You're so silly. Damn, man, I need to change this motherfucker. My underwear. Bathing suit keeps going up mad. Hold on, you guys. I gotta fix my bottoms here, bro. Bro, sis, homie, whatever you want to be called. Damn. No, Leia. Yeah, I was trying to get this shit fucking together here. Alright, so we're back in session. Oh, damn, that was cool. Alright. You guys, I'm breaking nails. How do the legs go on? Oh my god, I'm gonna get fucking pissed. Leia! You better stop now. All right, now. Well, let's see in this here goes down here. Is it the big ones or little ones that go in? Oh, this darn grill. I don't think this is good. This, oh, okay, those go for the legs, so then... Wait, what was it? Oh, this. Well, you're not telling me what to... What? It's not telling me what to put in there. At all. You know... This just seems like it's too small. And then again, what am I getting to, Oh, wait, maybe it is these. Yeah, it is these. There we go. Finally. Other one. Oh, because you can slide it. Okay. Oh, my girl. Oh. This is a pain in the ass, you guys. Oh. Puta marico. Damn it. Ow. Oh my god. I'm about to tell her husband to freaking do it. My nails are getting in the way, so that... You better not chew anything if anything fell at you. There it is. Yeah, but these... What? How the heck do you put a screw in that? What does it screw into? The fuck? No. You guys. I don't know what's happening here. I don't know how you, That don't even make no fucking sense. Yeah, Phillips head screwdriver, but again, what do you screw it into? Oh, this. This is a pain in the ass. Oh! Not high coal. What? This is wild. What the fuck did you screw the leg into, though? Ow! Same one goes here. I'm sorry, it's right there. Pay attention, Laura, pay it. I didn't see that there. There actually is something for this in there. Well, I guess this has to go on it. Do you actually really have to put these on? Alright, well. Oh shit, the screw. How the fuck are you even supposed to screw this in? What the fuck is going on? Oh, they're even supposed to screw this in. What the fuck is going on? Oh, they all screw in, don't they? Let me try you real quick and see what happens here. Where's the fucking hole? Alright, we're gonna have to do it this way because you're just being stubborn at this. And there we go. 20 hours later. Ouch. Oh. Someone tells me I got this because the tray's fuck. Oh, it is going in, okay. I thought I had it on the wall. This grill I got from the lady that got me the RV and the bags of charcoal. Oh, damn, there you go. She's on there now. Oh. Next. Uh-oh. Ow. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. All right. Okay, this is the front. I need to make sure. What the? Are you guys barbecuing? Something doesn't seem right. It seems loose. There we go. Damn, I should did this shit yesterday. Hard to see. Alright, there we go. Whoa. I'm going nowhere yet. Alright, now we got it. Oh. Oh, that's the way it was saying, I guess. Oh, because of the wheel. That would be why. Because of the wheel. Oops. What is going on? Ooh. There you go. Just screw in for now and I'll tighten you up. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah, my kind of girl. There you go. Look, you guys, we're doing pretty good. We got one leg left. That's so cute. It better not fucking rain. It just better not. I mean, oh well, we're still gonna have fun, but Oh, breathe, buddy.
Who's having fun? Is it just her?
It's still early, so that's probably why it looks so outside. Oh shit. What the fuck is going on? Okay, tires. Hey. Alright, tires. Wheel. 2, obviously. Alright. Number 14. Where are you? Oh, here it is. Oh, you gotta put the rack on first? And then the wheel. What? Ouch. There you go. Alright. Or pride, whoever you are. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I get it right. Alright. And then there. And then there. Oh, that's a baddie. Oh, I did this all on my own. Oh. Oh. Ouch. Oh my gosh, come on. Alright, now I'm guessing these. Well, oh, okay. Damn, that was my ear. Ow. Yep, and this is what, ouch. This is what these big ones go to. Damn, that shit's freaking hard. barely just fit on there. Scissors should be 2 more. Alright, let me see what's going on here. Good. Well, we got it up, but I am missing. This is going to be a little hard. Close this thing. Alright, these bottoms just keep going up my fucking ass. And I'm not appreciating it. Alright, let me see this fucking flashlight. Oh. Bam! Fucking. Alright, now let's check her out. Finally. Yeah, look at this bad boy! It's okay, Leah. I'm almost done, Leah. Don't worry about it. You'll be safe and sound, girl. Yep, this one goes on there. Yeah. You know, I'm going to tell you what, I am going to bitch at Mike for this. Oh! No, not literally, but... No, well, no, yeah, I am. Because I really wanted him to do this. But I just got some education on how to do a grill. So... There she is. Beautiful little girl. those? I don't know what those are, which actually, let me see what they are. They look like paper clips. I want to see where the pieces go. That's what I'd like to see. Well, it doesn't say. What the fuck are these for? There's only 2 of them. Look, they look. These, there's 2 of them. Like paper clips, literally. Yeah, I know, it don't matter. It's okay. And their purpose is gonna go right in the toolbox. That's where that purpose is going. But I'd like to know where these go. That's what I'd like to know. Actually, there we go. Oh! For the wheels. Where at? Where at? For the wheels. Well, there is 2, so you must be right. But where though? For the wheels. Oh, he is right, or he or she is right. Where the freak do I put it? Wait, what? Thank you, honey. Seriously. Saying it goes in. Huh? Good morning. There's like no hole or nothing to even put it in. Outside of the wheel. Where though? Where would you put it? Ouch. Like there's no hole, there's nothing. Ouch. I'm stuck in the middle ring. Middle ring? Silver middle. Silver middle. What? God. I'm about to leave it off. was clearly not seeing where at all. Ouch. So we're gonna leave those off as well. So maybe I can get her husband to figure out. I don't see how though, because there's nothing to even stick it in at all. So I think it was a waste of resources. Because there is nothing for nothing. But anyway, it's good to go now. There it goes. We're good to go, babe. Good to go. Good morning. Even if I take them pieces... Oh. Are you talking about if I... Wait a minute. Let me see what this cat's talking about. No, because there ain't even a hole there to even... What?
Morning.
Good, trying to get this damn grill. Who done did that? I'm about to beat that.
You're a goober. I love it. You're
Well,
a
trying to
mess.
make...
I love it.
It was probably Lady or Twisted, one of them. Oh, I can't get this friggin' on.
That is crazy. It says creator labeled as AI generator. So you're fake Lori.
Oh my god, I can see what this is going on. Alright, I'm about to hop off now. Alright, and I'm gonna bring this up. Ready for the day, baby. This puppy bathing suit keeps going up my ass. Alright. Alright, you guys, I will talk to you later.
Oh, I can't wait to see her cook food on this. Okay, guys, until the next one.
Alright, we're gonna get this outside.